When the frame folding lock is released, prepare a multi-tool at a 6 mm wrench. After cycling for a while, the frame's folding lock may appear to be loose. First, find the bottom of the screw. 2.5 mm hex screwdriver with multi-tool. Unscrew the screw counterclockwise. Then adjust the screw on the threaded rod with a 3 mm hex screwdriver. Turn the screw counterclockwise. The folding lock will tighten. Turn the screw clockwise and the folding lock will loosen. After adjustment, tighten the screw below the threaded rod clockwise. If the riser lock is loose, first use a 2.5 mm hex screwdriver. Unscrew the screw on the handle counterclockwise by 1 turn. Open riser lock. This is the adjusting screw. Tighten counterclockwise with a 6 mm wrench. At this point, the riser lock can be locked. Then check if the screw on the top of the threaded rod is loose. Tighten the screw clockwise with a Phillips screwdriver. Finally, tighten the screw of the handle.